Good morning, grade 2. I hope you're as excited for this week as I am. We only have 3 days of school. So Thursday and Friday will be public holidays, so you don't have any work for Thursday and Friday. That does mean no quizzes this week. Actually, there are absolutely no assessments this week, but your work still needs to be taken seriously because this week we are focusing only on revision. Now, do you guys remember in class we talked about what revision means? Revision means to go over work that we have already done, okay? Because we want to make sure that it is in your brains. It has climbed its way in there and it has made a home. We want to know that you are happy with the work and that you understand it completely. So this week we are only focusing on revision. The first video will be about phonics. There's not a lot for me to help you with there because it's the oo words, but I do read them for you. So listen to the way if I say book, which is the short you put it in the short oo column. If I say moon, which is a long oo, you put it in the long oo column. You will see when you watch the video. Then after that, we are moving on to grammar. We are making grammar booklets, or what did they call it, a flip book. I did not staple them for you. You know what, maybe I can do that now. I'll quickly staple them, all of the grammar for you, so you don't have to worry about stapling it or connecting it. So when you get it, you will get the flip book. I'm just going to staple it on one side. Don't take out the staples, okay? And I help you with that activity. Today we're only focusing on nouns and verbs. Okay. Then for maths, it's about shapes. It's about knowing what the names of the shapes are of 2D and 3D. And then it's about the faces, vertices, and edges of 3D shapes. We are doing 2 activities of that this week, so I want you to pay very close attention when we do those activities. And then you have handwriting. Now the handwriting I'm not making a video on because you guys can do that yourself. You just follow all of the instructions. But as always, I'm quickly going to show you in the workbook if we were to write, because today you are doing the cursive E, okay? If you were to write this cursive E in your Minky Monkeys, like almost all capital letters in cursive, it starts between the head and the body line. So you are starting here, but instead of going that way and starting, you make a little beer belly, I almost want to say, a little belly, okay? And then it goes straight down and it does a little curl. This one is a lot fatter than that one, but I actually prefer this one. It almost looks like a J, but this is the capital E. Do not connect it all the way. Do not stop it on this line. It has to make that little umbrella call, okay? Like or a cane. Good. Then the lowercase e starts like almost all lowercase cursive letters between the body and the tail line. On that line, it goes up to the side, straight down, curve up to the side. So do you see that at the top here, it's a sharp, it goes up to the side and sharp down, but at the bottom, it's not sharp. So it doesn't look like this, okay, and it doesn't look like this. It is somewhere in between. It is sharp and then curve, okay, and then you make your dot. Please don't make circles, don't make hearts, don't make any of those things. I just want the dot. Okay, so that is your handwriting. Then today's date that you are going to be using for almost all of your activities except for your maths is 18 May 2020, and the maths date 18-5-2020. Grade 2, none of the activities today should go in the workbook, so your workbook should be sleeping peacefully in the file, okay? Don't touch the workbook. None of this goes in there. I will tell you when we are going to do work in the workbook, but that's not today. Take your time with today's activities. It's really nice activities, and enjoy your short week.